Set your goal high and don't stop till you get there. On the behalf of Seth Anandram Jaipuri High School, I, Ashwini Barnwal, take a great privilege of share my thoughts on the occasion of Indian Air Force Day. A warm welcome to everyone. Today we are breathing freely because we are protected by guardians of the sky. We are here to dedicate our this day to all those warriors who gear up for the winter in the eastern Ladakh, involve themselves in biggest operation in decades of stock supplies. Yes, we are here to celebrate Indian Air Force Day. The Indian Air Force was officially established on 8th October 1932. Today is the 88th anniversary of the Indian Air Force. Indian Air Force ranked as the world's fourth best air force in the world. The Indian Air Force has participated in several crucial wars and landmarks. The mission since its inception, with a strength of approximately 170,000 personnel and 1,400 plus aircraft, the Indian Air Force comprises one of the world's largest forces. The celebration of this day was started in order to increase the awareness of Indian Air Force in any organization of the national security, both officially and publicly. The day is celebrated in Air Force bases all across the nation with air shows and parades conducted by Air Force cadets, as the Indian Air Force has its prime responsibility of securing the Indian airspace as well as to carry out the aerial welfare during any classes. It is known that the Indian Air Force has been a fundamental and the crucial part of the defense system of the nation along with the Indian Navy and Army. The Indian Air Force first flight was formed on 1st of April 1933. The first time Indian Air Force came into brave action was during the Waziristan War against the tribal. Later, Indian Air Force got expanded tremendously during the Second World War. The Indian Air Force has proved to be a great defense during the war, especially in Burma. Its enormous contribution and achievement made the Indian Air Force win the prefix of Royal in 1945 and hence came to be known as the Royal Indian Force. Not only it has the responsibility to safeguard the Indian territory from all the risk, but also provide supporting during natural calamities to the affected areas. The Indian Air Force has been involved in the numerous wars: World War II, Sino-Indian War, Operation Cactus, Operation Vijay, Kargil War, Indo-Pakistan War, Congo Crisis, Operation Pomalai, Operation Pawan and few others. I take utmost pride in sharing my deep respect on success and achievement of Kashi Rifle Squadron, first woman fighter Shivangi Singh, who is said to make a history by flying the multi-route air dominance aircraft amid escalating border tension with China. Commissioned in 2017 as part of second batch of women fighter pilots, Flight Lieutenant Shivangi Singh is currently undergoing conversion training and will shortly become a part of 17th Squadron Golden Arrow in Ambala. To offer respect to Indian Air Force, we Jaipurian are here to present a song.
देश पुकारे जब सबको, दुख सुख बाटे एक समान, नीली वर्दी वालों का दल बढ़ता आगे सीना तान, वायुसेना की ये शान, पीछे हो या करे कमान, बन खतरा कोई आए अगर, छाए लब पर काल समान। सूर्य के वीरों लो अभिनंदन, सूर्य के वीरों लेते हम देश की नभ पर जब फैलाओ पर, कर प्रहार लौटाओ घर, शत शत है तुमको नमन। देश पुकारे जब सबको, दुख सुख बाटे एक समान, नीली वर्दी वालों का दल बढ़ता आगे सीना तान, वायुसेना की ये शान, पीछे हो या करे कमान, बन खतरा कोई आए अगर, छाए नभ पर काल समान।
Thank you. Wish you a very very happy Indian Air Force Day. Jai Hind, Jai Vayu Sena.